Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn something very practical. Basically, we are going to run our very first backtest in Amibroker. Simple thing is you have a strategy, but you don't know if it works right. So we test it on all data. This is called backtesting. No need to risk real money yet. We just let the software calculate everything for us. It will show profit, loss, win rate, everything. So if you are new to trading, this video is perfect for you. Let's start. Now, what exactly is backtesting? Basically, you take your strategy and apply it on historical price data. For example, you think buy when price goes up and sell when it goes down. But does it really work? Amibroker will run that logic on last 3 years of data. It will tell you like, boss, you made 20% profit, but your drawdown was 40%. So it saves you months of manual checking. You don't have to sit and watch every candle. The software does everything automatically. It gives you a report with net profit, win rate, and maximum drawdown. So it's like a time machine for you, your trading ideas. You don't need to any coding genius for this. Now let's write a very simple strategy. We will use famous moving average crossover. Simple thing is when 50-day moving average goes above 200-day moving average, we buy. When it goes below, we sell. Open the AFL editor in Amibroker. Type this for buy condition. This means buy when 50-day moving average crosses above 200-day moving average. Then type this for sell condition. This means sell when 200-day moving average crosses above 50-day moving average. That's it. Just two lines. Don't worry about other settings right now. Save this file. And we have a basic trading system ready. Now let's run the backtest. Go to the analysis window in Amibroker. You can press Ctrl plus R or click on the Windows analysis. Click on analysis from the menu. Then select your formula file. Now set the date range. Use at least 3 years of data like 2021 to 2024. Make sure you have data loaded. Click on the backtest button. Wait for a few seconds. The result will appear. You will see a report with many numbers. Simple thing is the software has simulated every trade. It shows you exactly what would have happened. So now we need to understand this report. Now let's look at the report. First, see the equity curve. It's a line going up and down. If it is goes up steadily, your strategy is good. If it's go down sharply, be careful. Next, look at net profit. It shows total money made or lost. Then win percentage. This tells how many trades were winners. Simple thing is 50% win rate is okay if winners are big. Now check the max drawdown. This is the biggest loss from peak to bottom. Lower drawdown is better. Also see the Sharpe ratio, it should be above 1. Don't get confused, just remember higher Sharpe ratio is equal to better risk adjusted returns. That's it. Now you know the key numbers. Now some important tips. First, always use enough data. Don't test on just 6 months. Use at least 3 to 5 years. Second, avoid look ahead bias. That means your formula should not use future data. For example, don't use tomorrow's close in today's signal. Simple thing is Amibroker handles this if you write correct code. Third, don't over optimize. If you change parameters to fit past data perfectly, it will fail in future. Keep your strategy simple. Fourth, test on multiple symbols, not just one stock. Test on 10 or 20 stocks. So these tips will save you from big mistakes. So let's quickly recap. We learned what is backtesting. We wrote a simple moving average crossover strategy. We ran backtest in Amibroker. We understood the report, net profit, win percentage, drawdown, and we learned some best practices. Simple thing is backtesting is the first step to becoming a profitable trader. In the next video, we will write more AFL code from scratch. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. That's it for today, guys. Thank you.